But first, a word from our sponsors. Oh, wait, never mind.
That's us. Frills gum. Not sure why this exists, but enjoy.
That sounds like another one you're going to make me eat.
It tastes like soap.
No, it still tastes like soap.
So that
I
means
kind of have to know the story on this now.
I'm not eating one. We're chewing one. You know me, I don't do gum anyway.
It didn't lie. It kind of tastes like soap.
I want to know how you know what soap tastes like.
It's not that it tastes like soap. It's that when you imagine what soap tastes like,
it smells like soap. I can see.
I can imagine that if you had to eat soap, this is what it would taste like.
Would you like to put it out in the rockets?
No, I'm good. I mean, it's not bad. I think you should try these.
No, I'm not.
I think you should try these. Step it up, woman.
All right, Tootsie Roll.
My
A
Tootsie Roll. My Tootsie Roll. That's just scary.
We have Tootsie Rolls.
We have those here.
So,
Well, Tootsie Roll is kind of in between. It's not really sweet.
we know what Tootsie Rolls. Well, you know, there's several different types of Tootsie Rolls in
What's
America.
funny is this is like different shape than our Tootsie Roll.
Well, I think
do we have the trapezoid?
We do have a trapezoid.
Is that
looking-
trapezoid?
I don't know. We do have a larger Tootsie Roll like this.
No, it's just square.
Yeah, it's square. We've got one that looks like this.
For the record, our Tootsie Rolls would do it too. Well, tastes like our Tootsie Rolls.
Mm-hmm.
Our Tootsie Roll.
You can't not have a Tootsie Roll. And
Well, if you're a certain age. Kids today would be like, what?
you can't be in your 40s and have a Tootsie Roll and not think, Tootsie Roll. Alright, so this is Aero. That's
Feel the bubbles melt. I think that's slightly a little bit of marketing there. Because I didn't really feel the bubbles melt. I just felt chocolate collapsing. It was not, it's good, but it's different.
yeah, I enjoyed that very much.
Yeah, what about all? Oh, I said soon you'll find out.
Coffee Crisp.
Another one you'll have
Milk,
to eat.
chocolate, and wafers, and coffee. Is this it?
Coffee crisp. Yep.
Wait. I feel the urge to go into cereal mode.
Cookie crisp.
Coffee Crisp.
Yeah, it's just that.
He's the pre-taster.
I mean, I think eat it.
Oh, that smells like Santa or Fanta or whatever that instant coffee is.
Sanka.
Yes, Sanka. I'm not.
They still sell Sanka?
Yeah, I think so.
It's not bad. It's
I'm not gonna be able to. I know I'm not, because it smells too much like instant coffee.
so you're saying I gotta eat it?
Eat it. Just eat it.
Kind of a fan on that one. In fact, that one might go lower ranked than the Thrills.
Really?
The soap gum might actually be a little bit higher ranked. And you hadn't thought about ranking them, had you?
No.
I hadn't either until I just said that.
Okay. Well, we know where those two rank for you. I want to see the packaging.
You just wanted to hold Mr. Big in your hand?
Yeah,
I mean, the jokes just write themselves.
It's made by Cadbury.
Oh, so it used to be this long?
Yes.
Did you know that the Cadbury cream eggs are now like that?
Okay. Yes, see, I think if you gave children this for Halloween,
Oh, they're coming back.
they're coming back. I mean, and that's just my guess before putting Mr. Big in my mouth.
You know what it kind of looks like? A Baby Ruth.
It sort of does look like a... That...
Duty! What
I
movie?
was thinking that...
What movie was that?
I was thinking that looks...
Was it Caddyshack?
I was thinking it looks like a grande caca.
I can't remember now.
It's like a cross between...
Peanut buttery.
I like this.
Not good. You like having Mr. Big in your mouth, huh?
I think this might be my favorite one. I'm not lying.
Actually, I may not argue with that. This is actually good.
It tastes like... Okay. I can see it. Original Hickory Sticks, smoky flavored chips. Is that
That
this?
sounds familiar.
They look like something that we have,
I'm trying to think, is it the like not shoestring fries?
but chippy like.
Yeah, I think we have something similar. It's named differently, but I think we have something
Can't
similar.
remember it. If we remember it, we will put a picture of what is similar.
Here it is, right?
Here.
Here.
All right. Hostess. Yes, we have Hostess.
The hostess with the mostest. Oh yeah, I can eat these all day long.
They look like tiny French fries. I mean, like
That's
Fritos fries.
very close to it. It's almost like hash browns.
They're a little.
But they got the hickory smoke flavor. And it's like a beefy bag. Not in little dinky little 10-cent bags. You follow the machine, you open it up and it's like all air. That's like
Number 7 is
the Aero.
probably that.
Yeah, Aero Peppermint.
Fill the bubbles.
Feel the
melt.
bubbles melt.
Okay.
We do not have these here. I am intrigued.
Me too.
Too bad you won't get any.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a York peppermint patty.
No. It's not. I like York peppermint patties better. It's like Andy's chocolate. The Andy's mint.
Oh, A-N-D-E-S. Andes. That's pretty good. I think Mr. Big still takes the cake.
It does. I mean,
I think Mr. Big still comes out on top.
wait. I take that fist bump back.
Wow. Oh, you just figured out what it meant?
Fritos Hoops barbecue flavored corn chip rings.
That sounds like one you're going to make me eat.
That exactly sounds like something that he's gonna eat.
Yeah, baby.
Fritos Hoops.
I have never heard of
barbecue
these.
chips.
We do not have Hoops chips in America. I mean, why Hoops? It looks like the machine broke, and when it tried to make a little U shape, it just bent all the way back around. So this is basically the same thing we have here, other than the fact that it's a hoop instead of a regular Frito shape.
I wonder if we have a hoop shape.
Maybe we have them, don't know it. I've never seen them here. But yeah, it tastes just like barbecue Fritos, which I like.
Number 5, a Caramilk bar. Milk chocolate and caramel inside.
That was all me. I saw that one a minute ago.
Liar, liar, pants on fire. We're going to share this.
Okay, sure.
Alright, since there's 19 things in,
It'd be funny if we won the $100,000 from the wrapper.
it would be, that would be very Canadian of you to send us one where we won money.
Don't worry, we promise that we will not share if we win. Wait, did that come out wrong?
I think we should share if we win.
Paying the house off.
10%.
10% of whatever's left over after I pay the house off?
I look like a caramello. Look like a different shape.
Man, what's up, Canada? Making me break everything this way. Yeah, I think it's like a caramello.
Caramello.
Yeah, it's like a caramello.
I'm sweeted out.
I can fix that.
Smartfood white cheddar flavored popcorn. Hello, me.
You're speaking her words now. That's her language.
It's got white cheddar. Actually,
I think we have that here.
I think we do.
Yeah. It looks identical to the ones we have at their store.
So Stella, you don't even know I love white popcorn. I'll even let him have one.
Yeah, see, I've never really been a fan of bag popcorn. We still got it. Just not my thing.
In fact, I have to say, I like this better than any of the chocolates. Because I
That's
love
because you're a cheese girl.
white
You should have been born in Wisconsin.
white cheddar. Laura,
Hey, it's peanut free.
I'm butchering this. Laura Secord maple candy.
Oh, it's Secord.
Secord, like record. All right, last but not least, the maple candy.
Kind of does. Has that maple syrup.
Oh yeah, it does.
I'm suddenly craving pancakes.
Oh look, this is something not to eat. It's a Canada.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're not doing it right. Canada keychain. Oh, with a little whale.
Let's show you our ranking of the chips. Hers is at the top and his is at the bottom. Now it's time to rank the other candies. And we thought we would just give you our top 5, or in his case, his top 4. Don't go anywhere, because first you've got the cut scenes. And then I'm going to tell you what's coming up in December regarding this box.
Ooh, unsweet tea.
See, there's a method to my water madness.
Oh, I know, but still, I'd rather drink fake unsweet tea than...
I mean, back in the 50s, they used to wash kids' mouths out with soap.
Well, I mean, it's...
You know how I feel about peppermint.
So, I'll break it right here and give you the bottom.
They look like boobies. Like 5 boobies.
So I gotta break it long ways. I couldn't break it evenly the other way.
Really? I know what you mean.
See, it's like you can't break it evenly.
But now it does, I mean, it looks like 5 single boobies.
Well, didn't you see,
Wait, butts.
wait, didn't you see Fifth Element?
The cereal with the cereal that's got that starts with the C.
Or you mean like,
I'm not eating soap.
I will admit that I don't see why there would be a big following.
I mean, who is thrilled about eating thrills?
It's starting to stick in my tooth.
Okay, well,
I guess I do have to spit it out in order to continue eating. Though.
yes. Ooh, this would be fun to share with the fam.
Mm.
All right, next
Wait,
up.
I had mine. Now it's your turn. Because I love you.
Well, we've got a lot of sweet stuff coming up. So this might be my palate, like not sweet stuff cleanser.
What do you want to eat more sweet stuff first?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We can't thank Sayystella enough for sending us this wonderful Canadian snack pack. See our description for a link to Saystella's packing video. We left so much funny goodness on the cutting room floor that we plan to have a longer version of the Mr. Big Bar segment with possibly other segments as well. If you've liked what you've seen, please be sure to let us know by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. As always, we thank you for staying to the end. Bye!